Hi friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Friends, today we will learn how we can install and configure FTP server on Microsoft Windows Server 2019. So guys, let's start. Here we need to go to the add roles and feature options. Click on next, next, server selection is next. So here we need to go to the IS server and web server, and here we need to click the FTP one, the both option, and now click on the next one, next, and now click on the install. So here FTP server will be installed and it will take some time. Let me pause this video. After that we will configure the FTP server on this server. Let me pause this video. Welcome back friends. Now you can see that installation is completed. Now I'm closing one. Now we need to configure the FTP server. So guys, here we need to go the administrative tools. Here we need to go to the IAS services. So here we need to check IAS one here. We can also go from the this option, this thing from tools option. Here the IAS one should be there, this thing. So guys, now I'm minimizing this thing. So here I'm maximize this thing. So this is our web server page, IIS server page. Now let me configure this thing. So here need to go to the this default website is your IIS server, and now if we want to configure FTP one. So here I'm right clicking on this thing, add FTP site. Here is asking me to the FTP site name. Here I'm putting the TSC, Tech Support English. This asking for physical path where the server, this folder is deployed. So here I'm putting the on a F drive, which I have created for WDS services. So here I'm putting the FTP one. So make a folder FTP server, putting the name and click on OK. Now clicking on the next, here is asking me to which IP address for binding. So here I'm using the our main server IP address, and if you want to click on the SSL server, so you need to click the attach the SSL certificate if you have. Otherwise, I'm clicking here no SSL because this is for demo purpose. So guys, click on the next. Here is asking me for authentication. Authentication I'm putting on the basics, and here I'm putting the specific users and group. So here I'm putting the domain users. All users will get the access, or even we can connect on specific users. So here we can put the Mohit one, or we can give any other, give access to the any user or anyone. So we can do this thing. So I'm putting the Mohit one, click on the finish. So now here this is our FTP one. So now we need to go to the specific folder and give the access on the go to the security to Mohit. It's already connected, but if we want to, we can give the access. But guys, here you need to make notes. You can create a group over there and add the use on that group. But here for a demo purpose, I am putting only one user over there. So here I am putting the Mohit name, allow access. I am removing the this one, so it's not an inherent problem, no issue. So I'm putting the only for Mohit one. But you can, if you want to add the group, so you can add group one. Now we also need to go to the firewall setting. So let's open the control panel, and we need to allow the FTP services in the firewall. So this is a Window Defender firewall. Here we need to go to the allow an app or feature this thing. So we need to find the FTP1. FTP1 is there. It's already enable all the things. So we don't need to do anything. So OK one. So now we need to go to the client system. So here I have installed one service Smart FTP client. So you can use FTP client as per your requirement or license. So here I am putting the new connection. Here I'm adding the protocol FTP1. Host name is our 192.168.10.2. And here I'm putting the password over there. Mohit password. What was it? Yeah. And adding the OK. Now you can see that it's configured FTP1. Now if I want to add here, this is my text file which I want to add on a FTP1, add files. So here I'm going to the desktop, test file, click, I'm uploading the file from the client one. So it's initializing the folder. Now folder is initialized and you can see that test file is my uploaded. Now we need to go to the server one. Here we need to go to the server. Here you can see that file is showing there. Suppose I'm again uploading the another file. Here I'm putting the this thing and I'm just uploading the again. You can see that upload one, add file, and you can upload any file on this thing. See, now again check on this server. So here you can see that file. Now even we can check the FTP files on our browser. So here I am putting the Microsoft Edge, opening this one, and here I'm typing the FTP1, FTP colon this thing. Here it will ask me the password. I'm putting the Mohit one. Here you can see that even we can download the files and we can open this thing. And whenever we will upload the file from this thing, it will reflect also there. We can check again here. Suppose this is my another file. So I'm uploading this thing, upload, add files, this thing, and click on OK. And you can see that here I'm just refreshing. You can see another file is also uploaded. So guys, I hope you understand my video and understand my concept. If you like my video, then please share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.